you naman so much, guys. We're here in Mall of Asia for my very first tournament, and it's none other than Tumbang Preso!
1 point for the.
We're here right now with my team, Team Honey! Woo! Ayoko na! 10 out of 10! 10 out of 10 for the Golden Crew! Team Honey is coming for you! Guys, kaya natin to! Basta hindi kami last place, yun ang mahalaga sa akin.
Action right here on the court. Dito mismo.
At yun na nga po, nag-entrance kami na para bang palarong pambansa to. Charot. After introducing my team, it was time for the sportsmanship oath before playing the first round. And dito, medyo kabado na talaga ako. Sabi ko sa kanila, puso lang. Wah, feeling! The goal of the first round is to hit the can in the shortest period of time. And after 44 seconds, natamaan na namin siya. And yung saya namin ay para bang nanalo na kami. And after the first round, we were so happy to find out that we placed at third with 60 points. Akalain nyo yun. Time for the second round. And of course, as a team captain, syempre dapat may game plan tayo para manalo. Wow! At dahil medyo kolalat kami sis, sinayawan ko na lang sila. Well, it was time for the third round and I was against Anthony's team and the goal was to hit the stack of cans and tingnan nyo, one hit pa lang, knockdown na. Ang galing ng girls ko. I just also wanna say that ang galing din ng defenders ko kasi sobrang tagal bago ma-knockdown yung cans namin. Dito na po nagsimula ang Tumbang Preso Pro Max because what do you mean? Inikot muna kami bago kami makakahit ng can. Oh, diba? Saan palipad yun sis? This was probably my most favorite round kasi kahit hilong-hilo na kami, ang saya and it was worth it because we made it to the top 2. Pero syempre, bumalik na ulit ang kaba ko because that meant we were competing in the finals. Pero of course, game na game pa rin kami and hindi talaga nawala ang pagka-OA ko. Guys, grabe yung tawa ko dito kasi bakit ganyan ako tumakbo? Kasi ang hirap talaga kalaban yung Team Amara because sobrang galing nila but it was our turn to defend our team. And honestly, sobrang intense na ng game dito as in nasa gilid na ako, sumisigaw and cheering my defenders on. And can I just say that they did such a good job defending our team. It was finally time for awarding. Team Anthony came in third place while Team Amara came in second. And the champion is... Team Honey wins gold and is the Havaianas Canto Games champion, and also the MVP is from my team, si Paolo. Of course, I had to take pictures of my teammates one by one with the trophy. Sobrang galing nila. I couldn't have asked for a better team. Thank you, Havaianas, for such a fun experience, and hopefully I see you guys next year.